25 again. If any of this conversation resonates with you, then I'm just telling you, don't put it off. Don't do this any longer. Let's get to it. Let's be proactive. No more procrastinating, right, Lisa?
Absolutely.
And the survey will help you if you're not sure, right?
Right. Well, I mean, if you're 35 and above, like I said, you probably need us. If you're 40 and above, you definitely do. Even if you think you feel okay, there are things going on inside that aren't right. It may not necessarily mean you have disease or anything going on like that, but I promise your hormone levels are low, and we can help you become a better version of yourself, and we're going to take that time. And hopefully there's nothing else really wrong going on or anything, you know, that we need to take care of, but the hormone levels are low, and that's just not healthy. So get in there, get on that survey and see where you fit.
Yeah, Misty, are we going to start the Dr. Reyes fan club?
Oh, yes, absolutely. I think I mentioned during break, you know, I come in, he gives me a great big hug. He's very animated, and I trust him very much.
There we go. Okay, so you heard it once again. Jump online, take that survey, and again, give them a call today. Feel 25 again. Lisa, thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Reyes, thank you. Misty, thank you. And we'll see you tomorrow on Wave 3 Listens Live.